Hi guys, so you can see I'm outside, which is flipping brilliant. I managed to wangle a day starting at first light this morning. I got down here for about 5:30, 5:45. The first light came up and they were all boshing out right over in the corner. So today has been like a big game of hide and seek today. I've literally moved 3 or 4 times, chasing the fish round, casting at shows. I've tried PVA bags, little sticks, a couple of loose baits under a willow tree. I've just lost one on the German rig. It was a little CC Moore Pacific tuna 14mm bottom bait, topped off with a little urban baits nutcracker, half a boilie straight on top. I'll show you those rigs later on. A little bit gutted because, to be honest, with East in this swim I've never really had much luck, but that's fishing for you. So we're going to give it another couple of hours and then probably head home.